guys are not gonna believe what's going down today. Got a phone call that my buddy needs help on set for a movie, a feature movie. And I said, yeah, sure, I got you. I'll, PA and like get everything going. And next thing I know, I'm using a Red camera today and I'm the DP on a feature film. But there's one problem. I've never used the Red camera before. So we're gonna go over to his house. He's gonna teach me how to break it down, set it up. And I can't show you, obviously, me on set using it, but I'll try to get some pictures. But let's go check out this Red camera. And I don't know what it is with YouTubers and coffee and creatives with coffee. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, Peter McKinnon loves coffee, he has his own, but I've seen so many different creatives, and I think it's just because we're up so much grinding and making content and stuff. Energy drinks don't cut it, and coffee's just amazing. So let's go ahead and get over there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm stressing out today. Hard. Now I know I've said get uncomfortable being uncomfortable, but today is a lot. I mean, I've never shot on a Red camera before, let alone I've never shot on a feature movie set. I've done true TV and little budget sets, but not something like this. But my buddy's gonna be there with me. If I have any issues, I could talk to him. We're headed to his crib right now so I could learn the system a little bit, at least, and the wires, the filters, that type of stuff. And hopefully I grasp as much as I can. I'm a quick learner, but we will see. This is a Red camera. I mean, what's the worst that can happen today? We just do a bunch of takes and the director gets pissed at me? I mean, it's going to be the biggest learning experience in my entire film career. Mind you guys that don't know me, I've only been doing this for about a year, and I've only been really focusing on video more than photo the past 6 months. So I've been able to grow a lot, but this is going to be a huge learning experience, and I'll be able to put it on my professional reel. So I think it's something that I have to do. As much as I don't want to do it because I'm scared I'm gonna screw up and I'm gonna look like an idiot, it's something we have to do. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. You will grow as much as you can. So enough of me rambling, let's get over to his house, and I'm gonna try to shoot some B-roll of that Red camera in his glass. So let's get it, guys. So as you guys saw, we did a little bit of a rundown with the Red camera and some of the tripod settings and all the different wireless monitor, focus, pulling, that type of stuff. So we're gonna grab some food and then head to the studio.
Yep.
Well, when you see 6, don't park in the fire lane. Park as close. See how these?
Yeah, The fire lane's in the middle, so park closer to the stage.
By stage 6.
Copy that.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to know it's bad arm because technically I shouldn't really be in a professional studio. So we have to unload, and then as long as the stage is even open. 5 through 6. So where is 6? There's electrical shop. This is. Now we can calibrate. Function, angle, focus, and film. Lock it.
Do you want me to get some BTS of you?
I don't
You
care.
said we could.
Oh, that's you in front. I was like, what is blocking my lens?
Is my games in the
Wait, what the? I didn't. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's this guy. This guy needs to be canceled now. Okay. You got a little bit past infinity. 'Cause that's, of course, past infinity.
Exactly, because it's your last name.
Alright, focus. Now over to. Go in front again.
I know that. Yeah, I have so many people.
And it works.
My friend.
Back and focus.
So we just got the red set up. My homie Lance right here. This is the man.
Up.
I'll link his Instagram below, but taking a little vape break. And then we're gonna start shooting. This is where we're at.
Chase them full down at the mansion. Hilarious. Yeah, it happens very rarely. Hey guys, if you got drinks on set, can you take them off? Yeah, I just mean like
without drugs, they are nuts. They're unbalanced. Roughly here.
Am I like getting filmed right now? No.
You're about to. All right, let's drive this bad boy in.
right where you are.
Let's square her up, facing this other way.
How you feeling?
Good. Excited. It's crazy how long we've been shooting just for a couple freaking shots.
Wait, okay, so you turn on the switch here, and then you go up and down.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that right now. No? I'm waiting for.
What's that?
I'm gonna go 10-1. Can I leave this with you?
Yep. Do a test? I believe so. DP, you ready?